So hello, summer of being a kid. I got a bike. I'm washing her. She was $55 from the Goodwill thrift store. And she's a grown-up bike. She got gears. Yeah, pretty happy about that. Got roller skates, got a bike. Got our swim pass yesterday for the pool. So here's my bike. I'm washing her. She has a basket. Roxy's right there out of the sun in the garage. I told her to come help me, but... Okay, let's rinse her. Yeah, I totally forgot to video when we went inside Goodwill. I didn't know I had my phone with me. I thought I left it at the house. So I done washed her, and I put just little streamers on her, just to make it more girly. Roxy, let's go see the path Daddy made us. Come on. So I don't go all across my neighbor's yard. My babe made us a path. Right, babe? You made us a path? This is perfect.
RJ.
Roxy Ann.
RJ, look at your path.
I don't think I would have raked everything out. I just would have like put it to the side.
Side.
A key evolutionary event. And sorry, velociraptors, but we're getting rid of your teeth. In this new post-apocalyptic world, you're not going to need them.
Watching a scary movie and drinking hot tea with honey. About to take a shower. Winding down Sundays. Not having scary Sundays. Work is work. So I took a lovely shower, co-washed my hair, just decided to let it dry naturally, embrace the fro, let go of the ponytail. Shrinkage is real. Like, look at that. But Yeah, just letting the hair just do its thing. I might wear my hair out like this all week just to embrace and love myself, right? I'm out here in the rain. Taking Roxy potty, of course. Roxy's watching the neighborhood, enjoying the rain. It's beautiful. The grass needs it. For sure. Did you go to the other aisle to get toothpaste?
Oh.
It's out behind me. I'm gonna leave it. I don't like leaving. Deep condition. Got some early players, gonna ride my bike. Yeah. I'm gonna go in front of me so I have something to look at. This way.
Stop the stop sign and go.
Whee!
What would you do to
take it to me. What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off, or would you stay up? Don't succeed.
Go swimming. What do we do? Just
Devastating. Did you little bit?
the pool. Let me show you guys.
Let's get some mountain lips.
Yeah, someone come
You
over.
want to get shaved in it? Let's get us some.
I want you to see.
Because we have big fucking hats. Can you get a picture of me?
This is the kiddie pool. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim.